Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a tutorial of how to make homemade stickers. It's better than buying the real stickers because those stickers are going to be like $6. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video if you enjoyed it and if it was helpful. And follow all my social media down below. And yeah, well, let's get on to this video. The materials you're going to need to make the stickers are mailing tape, any parchment paper will work. Then you'll need some scissors, any scissors, then just some printed pictures of anything. I just searched up aesthetic stickers and I just printed. For my example, I'm going to be using this thrasher. You're just going to want to kind of cut that out, and you're going to want to leave like a white space like this to make it look like a real sticker, because it's going to look a little odd if it doesn't. And you're just going to want to cut out the picture. So I'm going to get back to you guys when I cut out the thrasher. And yeah. Okay, so I cutted it out. And now you're going to want to take a piece of parchment paper. Then you're going to want to take your mailing tape or any, this tape. Oh, then you're going to want to put like a big thick line. Ow. 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 That hurt. Then you're just going to want to put it on the parchment paper, directly on the parchment paper. Then you're going to want to take one more piece of the tape. So then we're going to put it over, like kind of overlaying the other piece. So that's how it should look. So now you have one layer. Then you're gonna want to take your sticker. Then you're just gonna wanna wait. You're just gonna wanna put it like somewhere on the tape. Then you're gonna want to do another layer of tape. Take a piece. Then you're gonna want to take your piece. Then you're gonna want to put it over your sticker. I don't have any like table right here, so I'm just gonna do it right here. You take your piece and put it over your brush or your any sticker. I don't know what sticker you're making. So it's supposed to look like that. So there's gonna be 2 layers of stickers or of tape. Then you're gonna just wanna overlay again, and you're just gonna do that. That's how it looks. Then 1 layer is under, 1 layer is on top. So then you're gonna want to cut it out, but you're gonna want to keep out a little space of sticker, or of the tape, or else it's not gonna work. And I don't want that to happen for you. And make sure to comment down below how your guys' summer is going. Mine is going great. Now, your sticker should be like this. Have a little, and it should be ready to take off the backing of the parchment paper, which is you only take off the back if you literally want to put on something. So yeah, I have different examples of stickers I made. I made this one. I'm just showing you guys all of my stickers I made, and I put most of them on my computer. And I print some emoji ones. So yeah, so So then a grease. So this is a really easy DIY. So this is where the rest of my stickers went. Or went on. Oh my god. Is on my computer. And I just have another Thrasher, a Totally Tumbler, a Totally Tubular, and an iced coffee, Ron John Surf Shop, a Vans Off the Wall, a Santa Cruz, and that's the Thesis, and what's her name? I forgot her name. I'm sorry. I really love her though. And just a wave and a little sparkle. So this is what you can do, and they won't come off unless you like peel them off. And my cousin just put on her Polaroid camera, her metal straw, and I think that's it. I don't know. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY video. If you guys want me to do more DIY videos like this, then please just comment it down below in the description, or not in the description box, in the comment area. Follow all my social media down below, my Instagram, Snapchat, and yeah. I have a few more videos that I'm gonna upload soon, so I hope you guys subscribe to my channel, like this video if you enjoyed it, and if it was helpful and you actually are gonna make some stickers. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!
Hey, feeling good, like I should.